everyone, this is Kabira Chand from the project FinBloom. This uses knowledge grounding LLMs to answer the real time financial queries with up to date information. We have inspired from the research paper FinBloom Knowledge Grounding Large Language Model with Real Time Financial Data, which states that LLM lacks real time knowledge and the outputs become outdated quickly, and the frequent fine tuning is costly and time consuming. Uh, in order to avoid the frequent fine tuning, we also use RAG model, but the RAG model struggles with the structured data and high velocity financial streams. These type of up-to-date information are very crucial for the business. In order to trade and stock market, it is quite crucial. So how can we avoid the problem? Our FinBloom can avoid the problem by using knowledge grounding. Here, the research paper says it provides 50,000 queries and the context data set. It has trained 7B FinBloom with 14 million financial news articles, and it has fine-tuned FinBloom 7B in order to create an agent. The project key focuses on the integrate LLM with streaming financial data. We are storing the up-to-date information in the data module, which will be used by LLM in order to provide the real-time answers. Application, real-time financial decision makings and algorithmic trading. Framework for multi-agent system. Expansion including financial video analysis. So who are the users and what are the use cases? The users are financial analysts, traders and portfolio managers, regulatory and compliance team, financial students and educators. Even the common people can also use that. The people who don't have any knowledge in the financial sector can also use FinBloom. Use cases, real-time marketing, compliance and audit support, decision support and research. I would like to introduce you to the query flow of our project. The user query is entered in the user interface. If this is the query, it is sent to the agent, financial agent, with the prompt to generate required data. It will collect all the keywords which are essential to generate the query. In the next step, the required data is sent again to the agent to generate the actual queries. The agent is specially trained on this aspect. As per the research paper, the query is first made into the required data, and then the required data is then made into the structured data request. Using the structured data request, these queries, the data is fetched from the data module, and then the context which is generated after the data module layer and the user query are both sent to the LLM, which is FinBloom 7B LLM, to generate the solution for the user query. Since the user query is not only enough to generate the solution, we are also adding the context. The agent and the data module combinedly work in order to produce the context. This is the detailed workflow how the front end and back end work in our FinBloom. We are expected to generate a web UI chat dashboard which is made with React and the backend using Node or Express. The backend connects the financial agent and the data module and the LLM. Since we know how financial agent data module and LLM work together, uh, and the output given by the LLM is shown in the UI again. The advantages of FinBloom. Since we are using data module, there is no need to retrain the LLM. The main goal of our project is to make the LLM freeze. The weights of the LLM are not touched, they are not disturbed. The data is stored in the data module and used in order to fetch the required information. Accurate data integration seamlessly combine the structured and unstructured data with high precision, providing a holistic and accurate view of financial information. The high velocity financial information is accurately uh, taken by the LLM in order to give the financial answers to the user queries. Scalability and adaptability. This architecture is not only for the finance, and it can even go beyond the finance. Even for the systems which are faster and high velocity than the finance, this architecture is quite suitable. Cost efficiency and speed. We are not spending time to fine tune the LLM or retrain the LLM. We can easily store the data, which is cost efficient and is more fast. Thank you.